6 a.m. Weekend. Time to crush my goals. Gym, meal prep, side hustle, learn Korean.
It's Saturday. The week died. Let it rest in peace.
But weekends are for getting ahead.
Weekends are for becoming human again. Go away.
Oh, this debate is going to be personal. Welcome back. Hello, beautiful humans. Welcome to Listen and Learn English Easy, where mistakes are part of the journey and every "I'm tired" is valid. I'm Sarah, your host, weekend warrior, and person who schedules relaxation in her calendar. Yes, I set an alarm to nap.
Hi, I'm James. I don't remember my last planned weekend. I wake up, I see what I feel. Maybe I read, maybe I stare at walls, maybe I forget to eat until 3 p.m.
Forget to eat? But productivity, growth, optimization.
But Sarah, when do you breathe? When do you just be?
I breathe while doing yoga. I be while being productive. That sounds sad when I say it out loud.
Not sad, just tired. And maybe scared to stop?
Scared? Yes. If I stop, I might never start again. I might waste my life.
And if I start, I might never stop. I might lose myself in doing. I tried the hustle. I burned out completely. I didn't get out of bed for 3 days. Not lazy, broken.
Oh, James, you were human, not broken. We both fear the opposite thing. I fear stillness, you fear motion.
Maybe we can teach each other?
Absolutely. Let the weekend war begin. But before we battle, I need to ask you something real. Are you watching this on a Saturday morning feeling guilty because you're still in bed? Or feeling exhausted because you forced yourself to gym? Weekends are supposed to be free, but we trap them with expectations.
So smash that like button. Help other weekend-confused humans find us.
Subscribe to Listen and Learn English Easy. We're building a family where hustle and rest both belong. When we hit 80,000, I'm doing a James Plans My Weekend episode, and I promise to try zero productivity.
I already made your schedule. Wake up, exist, repeat.
The anxiety. But for you, I'll try. Most importantly, comment. Tell us, are you Team Hustle Weekend or Team Rest Weekend? What makes you feel guilty about your weekends? What's your perfect Saturday? Honestly.
Last week, someone said they scheduled guilt-free naps. I cheered, literally out loud. Share your permission slips with us.
Our comment section is sanctuary. No rise and grind, toxic productivity. No lazy shame. Only real rest, real ambition, real support. Join us. Okay, James, Saturday, 7 a.m. I'm at the gym, endorphins flowing. By 9 a.m., I've meal prepped 12 lunches. By 11 a.m., I'm learning Python while podcasting. I feel powerful, in control, unstoppable.
But Sarah, when did you feel last week? When did you process the stress, the emotions? My Saturday, I wake up when I wake up. Maybe 9, maybe 10. I lie there. I think about nothing or everything. I let my mind wander. Sometimes I cry for no reason or every reason, and it's healing.
Cry? On purpose?
Not on purpose, just permission to feel what I didn't have time to feel. The anger from a rude email, the sadness from missing my friend. Weekends are emotional laundry, not just physical.
I fold my clothes. I ignore my feelings. They pile up. Then I wonder why I'm anxious on Sunday night.
Because you washed your body but starved your heart.
That's poetry. And also painful.
Can I tell you something shameful?
Please, this is safe.
When I rest, I feel worthless. My dad, he worked 2 jobs, never sat down. He said, "Rest is for rich people. We work." So when I relax, I hear his voice. You're wasting time. You're ungrateful. I have to fight to rest. It doesn't come naturally. It's work to not work.
James, your dad was surviving. You're living. Different times. And me? When I hustle, I feel worthy. My mom? She sacrificed everything. Never had a career. She said, Sarah, be independent. Never need anyone. So if I'm not achieving, I'm failing her. Failing myself. Existing isn't enough.
So we both have ghosts. Yours says do more. Mine says don't stop. Both haunt us.
Yes! We're mirror images, both trapped by love turned into pressure.
I never thought hustle people were suffering too. I thought you were robots. I'm sorry.
And I thought rest people were lazy. I'm sorry too.
Can I teach you something? Weekend words are loaded.
Yes, show me.
But really, it's fear dressed as ambition. And self-care. It sounds soft, but really, it's survival. I hated self-care until I needed it to live.
I use self-care as reward after I earn it. That's not care, that's payment.
And Sunday Scaries. The anxiety before Monday. It has a name because it's universal. But in German, Sonntagsleerung. Sunday emptiness. Not scary, just empty. Sad. Different flavor of dread.
James, you're teaching sociolinguistics. Language reflects culture. Fear versus emptiness. Did you see that? From I like naps to cross-cultural analysis.
I didn't know I was smart in English. I thought I was just complaining about Monday.
That's the smart. Noticing your experience, naming it, sharing it. What if we need rhythm, not rules?
Rhythm?
Some weekends hustle, when we have energy, dreams, deadlines. Some weekends rest, when we have wounds, grief, exhaustion. Not either/or, both/and, listening to what we need.
Like breathing? Inhale, do. Exhale, be. You need both. You can't just inhale forever.
Yes! James, you're a philosopher.
And you're convertible. Admit it. You'll try one unstructured Saturday.
One, with no alarm and no guilt. I'll need coaching.
I'll be on call for emotional support and nap recommendations.
Let's capture James's emotional weekend vocabulary. Sunday scaries, Monday anxiety, universal feeling. Hustle culture, toxic productivity, we challenged this. Emotional laundry, processing feelings, his beautiful metaphor. Sonntagsleerung, Sunday emptiness. German precision.
And permission. Allowing yourself to be, not earn. My favorite word now.
Perfect. Challenge. Comment with a weekend word from your language. Happy, sad, complicated. We want it. Now I want something real from you.
In the comments, tell us, what does your weekend need to be?
Do you schedule rest or feel guilty when you don't? Do you force productivity or feel lost without it? What would permission look like for you?
I used to feel lazy for resting. Now I know I'm healing. Your weekend is yours, not your parents', not Instagram's. Yours.
And if you're burned out right now, comment that. We'll send you rest permits and hustle hugs. Whatever you need, you're not alone.
Subscribe! At 80,000, Sarah does my weekend, and I film her panic.
The exposure, but for growth. I'll do it. James, you came in defending naps, and you taught me that stillness is productive. How do you feel now?
I feel balanced. Not lazy for resting, not guilty for hustling when I choose it. And I said it in English.
You owned this language. You owned your rest. Whether you're alarm setter or snooze button, hustler or restorer, you are perfect. Keep speaking your weekend truth.
Like this video if weekends confuse your heart. Subscribe to listen and learn English easy for more permission to just be. Comment your weekend story. We read every one.
Next week, foods that heal exhaustion. James makes his famous I forgot to eat emergency soup and teaches me slow cooking.
It takes 3 hours. No checking phone, just stirring and breathing. You'll hate it. Then you'll love it.
I think I need that. I think I need slowness.
You need me to hide your phone.
Yes, please. This is Sarah, signing off with a heart full of scheduled rest and unscheduled joy.
And this is James, proudly team rest, proudly balanced.
Keep learning easy.
easy.
See you next week.